Cristiano Ronaldo faces $1 billion lawsuit after launching NFT collection. Cristiano Ronaldo faces a $1 billion class action lawsuit over promoting non-fungible tokens, NFTs, through the crypto exchange, Binance. Ronaldo's collection of NFTs, depicting iconic moments of his life, were launched ahead of last year's World Cup. NFTs are unique pieces of digital art. Ronaldo's rarest collectibles fetched up to $10,000, leading to allegations that his endorsement encouraged unsafe and costly investments. This lawsuit follows Binance's recent $4 billion settlement with U.S. regulators. Changpeng Zhao, Binance's ex-CEO, resigned after the settlement. Known as CZ, he admitted to breaching anti-money laundering laws and could face prison time next year. The lawsuit contends that Binance's NFT sales were fueled by influential organizations and celebrities, including Ronaldo. Online searches for Binance reportedly increased by 500% after Ronaldo's collection was publicized, with his premium NFTs selling out within a week. It is alleged Ronaldo should have disclosed his payment for the partnership. Neither Ronaldo nor Binance has commented on the lawsuit yet. Ronaldo, just 2 days ago, hinted at a new collaboration with Binance. Meanwhile, the overall demand for NFTs has dropped recently, following a bubble that saw even cartoon rock images selling for millions. Celebrities from Donald Trump to Snoop Dogg have launched their own NFT collections. This isn't the first instance of celebrities facing legal implications over their crypto company affiliations. The industry has been marred by bankruptcies and scandals. Stars like comedian Larry David, tennis player Naomi Osaka, and NFL player Tom Brady are being sued for endorsing the failed crypto exchange FTX. FTX went bust in November 2022, leaving millions locked out of their savings. FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried was convicted last month for risking customer deposits without their knowledge. The former billionaire could be sentenced to 110 years in prison next March.